In this video, we'll show you how to copy an event. Once you have an event set up, you can then use this as a template, so copying it will allow you to get started with your new event quickly. Please note, this process is different to setting up a new event, so if you're looking for guidance on that, please see the link in the description below. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, then select Admin and then Events. Only current events will be showing on the Events page, so you may need to find the event in the archives. To do this, click on the Manage menu and then select Show Archived Events. Then from the Select Year menu, click on the relevant year of the event you would like to copy. When you have found the event you want to copy, select Copy from the Event Management menu. A modal window will appear where you enter the date of the new event. Then click on the Copy button. You will then be taken back to the main Events admin page. Locate the copied event from the list and select Edit Event from the Event Management menu. You'll then need to make some minor changes to the event, such as removing the word copy from the event name and adding an organiser. The new event created will have automatically updated the event, sales, purge data and task dates. And when you copy an event, all products, product questions, tasks and auction items will automatically be copied over, so please ensure you check all of these and make any relevant changes before your event goes on sale. Click the Update Event button at the bottom of the page when you are done. And that's it, you have now successfully copied an existing event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.